Hi guys, I just received my $3,603 into my Exodus. So I'm going to show it to you. So you can see that actually QubitTech pays for real. So I'm going to show you that just now. See? It hit my account, which was my BTC. And I'm going to wait for my next withdrawal, which is going to be another 1,300 in a few days. So that's awesome. So QubitTech really pays out the withdrawals, the big amounts as well. So if any of you are concerned about withdrawals, this is a proof for you that you shouldn't be worried at all. Everything is going fine. Everything is going smoothly. And yes, so this is what you get when you work hard and you take action. You get paid a lot of money. So I hope you like my video. And if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me. Bye-bye.